The Realme Pad 2 is a capable everyday Android tablet that delivers a balanced experience for browsing, media consumption, and light tasks, with 4G connectivity and a simple, clean design focused on casual use rather than productivity. The newer Realme Pad 3 builds on this foundation with a more modern and slimmer design, newer software, and 5G support for faster mobile data. It is also better suited for optional stylus and keyboard accessories, making it a more future-ready choice for users who want improved connectivity, smoother multitasking, and light productivity in a newer-looking tablet. The Realme Pad 2 features an 11.5-inch 2K, 2000x1200, IPS LCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and vibrant colors that are great for media, reading, and everyday use. The Realme Pad 3 takes it a step further with an 11.6-inch 2.8K, 2800x2000, IPS LCD display, also at 120 Hz, delivering sharper, brighter, and more immersive visuals that enhance videos, gaming, and productivity tasks. The Realme Pad 2 runs on Android 13 with Realme UI 4.0 and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset paired with an Mali G57 GPU, offering smooth performance for everyday tasks. It comes with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, expandable via microSD, making it suitable for browsing, media, and light multitasking. The Realme Pad 3 upgrades to Android 16 with Realme UI 7.0 and a more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Max chipset with an Mali G615 GPU, providing better performance for gaming and productivity. It typically has 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, also expandable via microSD. The Realme Pad 2 has an 8MP rear and 5MP front camera, while the Pad 3 comes with 8MP rear and 8MP front cameras for slightly clearer selfies and video calls. The Realme Pad 2 supports Wi-Fi and 4G, on cellular models, Bluetooth, and GPS for everyday online use. The Realme Pad 3 adds 5G support along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, offering faster mobile data and more future-ready connectivity overall. The Realme Pad 2 has an 8360 mAh battery, while the Pad 3 offers a larger 12200 mAh battery with faster charging. Actual prices can vary by country, retailer, and ongoing offers. The Realme Pad 2 is a solid tablet for everyday use with 4G, a good display, and light productivity. The Pad 3 upgrades to 5G, a sharper display, bigger battery, and optional stylus, keyboard support, making it more future-ready and versatile.